My video guide will give you instructions to remove the browser hijacker called VIPSearch Pro. VIPSearch Pro is a browser hijacker that won't provide reliable search results. VIPSearch Pro is promoted as a useful tool that allegedly could help people receive personalized search results and is meant to enhance the web browsing experience. However, this app is commonly distributed through software bundled packages and is not installed intentionally. This is just one of the reasons it falls into the potentially unwanted program category. As soon as the application is installed on Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or another web browser, it changes its settings almost immediately. To be precise, the homepage and new tab URL are immediately swapped to vipsearch.top, which alters their appearance and functionality. The customized search box is also inserted, a tool that users are meant to employ every time they search the web. However, these so-called search results may be also mixed with a lot of irrelevant data, sponsored links, and intrusive ads. So, if you have noticed these alterations because of the VIPSearch Pro extension, and if you see this vipsearch.top among your search results, be sure to remove it effectively. Go to the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Now, disable and delete any VIPSearch Pro or other unfamiliar extensions that you might find here on the list. I also recommend you to additionally examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, then start carefully researching the system with its help to make sure the device is free of any other threats. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your system. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threats that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the threat, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific threat, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.